Ever wondered why you're not getting ahead financially despite your best efforts? This video uncovers the top wealth killers that might be derailing your financial success without you knowing. If you don't learn about these pitfalls, you could be wasting years of effort and thousands of dollars. Watch till the end to find out how to safeguard your wealth and achieve true financial independence. Have you ever felt that as soon as you get a raise, it's like your expenses mysteriously rise to meet your new income? Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with a bigger house, a fancier car, or luxury vacations. But this can prevent you from getting ahead financially. Imagine earning an extra $10,000 a year, but spending it all on a new car lease and dining out more frequently. At the end of the year, you have nothing left to show for your hard work. A survey found that 60% of people earning over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. The key is to live below your means. Save and invest the difference. Consistently investing in appreciating assets rather than spending on depreciating items will put you ahead in the long run. Ever felt envious scrolling through social media, seeing friends with new gadgets, exotic vacations, or luxurious homes? Comparison is a destructive mindset. It's easy to fall into the trap of trying to keep up with others, often leading to unnecessary spending and debt. There's a famous saying, comparison is the thief of joy. Not only that, it's also a thief of wealth. For instance, if you continually upgrade your phone just because your friends do, you're spending hundreds, if not thousands, unnecessarily. The average American spends $3,300 a year on access to internet, mobile, and streaming. Focus on your financial goals and what truly brings you joy. Understanding what wealthy people actually spend money on can be enlightening. They often prioritize investments over consumption. What if I told you that waiting to start investing could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime? Procrastination is a major wealth killer. The longer you wait to start investing, the less you benefit from the power of compound interest. A study by Fidelity found that someone who starts investing $6,000 a year at age 25 could have over $1.5 million by retirement, assuming a 7% return. If you start at age 30, you'd only have $1 million at retirement. Start investing now, even if it's a small amount. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Automated investing can make this process effortless and ensure consistent contributions. Are you prepared for life's unexpected financial surprises? Not having an emergency fund can lead to high-interest debt or rating your investments early, both of which can derail your financial progress. Consider this scenario. You lose your job or face an unexpected medical expense. Without an emergency fund, you might have to rely on credit cards with high interest rates. According to a report, nearly 40% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense. Aim to build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This financial cushion can protect you from falling into debt and keep your long-term investments intact. High-interest debt is like a financial black hole, sucking away your wealth. Credit card debt with an average APR of 27% can quickly spiral out of control. For example, a $10,000 credit card balance can cost you $2,700 in interest annually if not paid off. High-interest debt limits your financial flexibility and opportunities, trapping you in a cycle of repayments. Keep your total debt payments to an absolute minimum. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and use credit responsibly. Did you know that staying out of the stock market can cost you more than you think? Avoiding investments due to fear of market volatility can be a massive wealth killer. A Fidelity study showed that $10,000 invested in the S&P 500 in 1980 would grow to over $1 million by 2022 if you stayed invested. Miss the best 5 days, and your gains drop by 38%. Miss the best 50 days, and you lose 93% of potential gains. The key is to stay invested and not try to time the market. Even in volatile times, the market trends upward over the long term. Start investing now and let compound interest work its magic. Are you aware that inflation can silently erode your purchasing power? Inflation reduces the value of money over time. For instance, in 2022, the year-over-year inflation rate was close to 8%, significantly raising the cost of living. Think back to the 1970s and 80s, when inflation was as high as 15%. Prices increased, but they rarely came back down. Similarly, today, even if inflation rates stabilize, the elevated prices are here to stay. Adjust your budget to account for inflation. Ensure your investments outpace inflation to maintain purchasing power. Investing in assets like stocks and real estate can help hedge against inflation. Avoiding these wealth killers is crucial to building and maintaining financial success. If you're still worried about how much you're saving and investing, check out this video on why net worth explodes after 100K.